In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a controller on any Steam PC game. By the end, your favorite games should recognize your controller reliably, with consistent button behavior across your library. First, open Steam and head to the top left menu. Choose Settings, then go to the Controller section. Here, you'll see options for different controller types: Xbox, PlayStation, Switch Pro, and Generic. Check the box that matches what you're using. This turns on Steam input for that controller type across your entire Steam setup. Steam input is the feature that translates your controller's signals into something each game can understand, even if the game wasn't built with your controller in mind. It also helps standardize button mappings, so jump, interact, and triggers feel consistent from game to game. If you swap between different controllers, you can come back here and toggle the appropriate boxes. As a tip, stick to the one you actually use to avoid conflicts. Next, go to your Steam library and find the game you want to play. Right-click it, choose Properties, then open the Controller tab. In the drop-down menu, select Enable Steam Input. Avoid choosing Disable, because that prevents Steam from managing your controller and can lead to inconsistent results or no response at all. Enabling Steam input at the game level ensures Steam handles your controller for this specific title, even if the game has its own built-in controller support. That consistency is key when you want any controller to work the same way, every time. If your controller doesn't respond right away after making these changes, a quick PC restart can help apply everything cleanly. This is especially useful if Steam wasn't detecting your controller before or if you just switch controller types. Once that's set, launch the game and test the sticks, buttons, and triggers. Depending on your controller, you might see button prompts that look different. For example, many games display Xbox-style prompts even when you're using another controller. That's normal and simply reflects how the game labels inputs. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your games with your controller of choice.